Hello and welcome. I hope that you are having a fantastic day. We're going to talk about cryptocurrency news, and in this video, John Stossel has a new video out on his YouTube channel called Bitcoin Better Money. I wanted to share this with you. I'm going to have a link below if you decide that you want to see the full video. I'm going to give you a little bit of a teaser of his video. His video's total is 5 minutes. I'm going to show you about 30 seconds or so. That way, if you like what you see, you can go and watch the entire thing. So before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion and the opinion of John Stossel. I am not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what we say. Do your own research. So this is a great place to start for doing research about Bitcoin. You can see that we're on a YouTube channel. This is the Bitcoin Better Money video. The video has got a total length of about 5 minutes, and it was created and published by John Stossel. So if you like what you see, I'm going to have a link below. You can see the rest of it, but I thought I would give you a little bit of a teaser about it. I really thought it was an excellent video. It may be something that you want to share with your friends and family that are just now hearing a little bit more and more about Bitcoin. Anyway, let's...
This is going to be competition for the US dollar.
Tech reporter Naomi Brockwell.
The government doesn't like this competition.
But even if Libra's crushed, says Brockwell, other digital currencies like Bitcoin can't be stopped.
You want to send money to Russia to a family member? It's going to be censored. You want to send money to a relief effort in Venezuela? It's going to be censored. You want to use Bitcoin for that? Your money will get through. That's an incredibly powerful tool. That gives people back the freedom to spend their money where they want to spend it.
Bitcoins are generated all over the internet by anybody.
It's the first currency we've ever seen that is decentralized.
They can't shut it down.
Exactly, and that's why it's still around, because they haven't been able to have these hearings. They haven't been able to call on the CEO of Bitcoin and say, you'd better cease and desist. There is no server to unplug. There is no company to shut down, no CEO to throw in jail, so it persists. That's really exciting.
Digital currencies live on thousands of individuals' computers, so no government can stop them by pressuring any one company.
Bitcoin, a virtual currency.
When Bitcoin started, it was worth virtually nothing, but then it caught on.
You've seen Bitcoin gain 40%.
2 years ago, the price of one Bitcoin reached almost $20,000.
Yep, it reached $20,000. The real question is will it go beyond that in the near future? Personally, I think it will, but again, that's my opinion. So, as always, how can I be of service to you? Do you have any questions about this video? Did John or Naomi or somebody else in that video, maybe you went and watched the whole thing, did they bring up something that you didn't understand that you want to ask questions about? If so, please leave your questions and comments in the comments below on my video. I also have a Google spreadsheet or a Google form set up. The link to that form is in this video. Just click that form if you want to ask your questions privately rather than asking them in a public forum. Also, if you disagree with anything that I said, please provide your polite disagreements in the comments below, or again, you can use the private forum to communicate with me, and I'd be happy to communicate and answer, answer and have a dialogue back and forth. I may not ever agree with you, but I do know this. You know things that I don't know, and if I understood what you know, I may change my mind. I will definitely be able to learn if I can understand more about what you know, and vice versa. So as we learn together, it will happen through polite disagreement. Anyway, bottom line, I hope that you'll click the like button and like our video. It helps us grow the channel on YouTube. I hope that you'll subscribe. We are looking for more subscribers. And if nothing else, hold on for dear life. HODL your cryptocurrency. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.